Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the K Bear, and today, guys, I'm gonna show you how I make jollof rice. I'm from Zambia, yes, but I also have learned how to cook jollof rice. So I'm gonna show you the way I do it. So in a heated pan, in a heated pot, or whatever you're using, you're gonna fry some onions. I used about one big onion, and then after that, you're going to add in some dried thyme. You can use fresh thyme as well. Fresh ingredients are the best, but I have dried thyme and I use that. And then after that, you're also going to add a mixture. So this is a blended mixture of garlic, ginger, parsley, onion, and scotch bonnet. Yes, I added that. I know the color is green, but guys, believe me, the outcome is not gonna be green. It'll be absolutely gorgeous jollof rice that everyone else knows. And then I'm gonna add in my tomato paste. I love jollof rice cooked with tomato paste as opposed to just fresh tomatoes and red peppers. I actually do not like the taste of red peppers, maybe because I ate them so much that I can't stand them anymore. So this works perfectly for me, and my husband loves this as well. And again, guys, don't judge me. I'm from Zambia. I learned the hard way to make jollof rice, and it worked. And then after that, I added some Maggi cube. So you just have to add that whatever cube you can have. It can be beef, it can be chicken, it can be vegetable, that's fine. And then I also added Italian seasoning. I know you're judging me, but don't worry, it's gonna taste amazing once you try this recipe. And then you also add some paprika. Yes, paprika, because I want my jollof rice to be extra red, I don't want it to be a little dull in color. And then I also added some tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes, yes. I don't blend the tomatoes. I cook them in the stew, and they're gonna get mushed in the stew. When the outcome or the output or the jollof rice is done, you're not gonna see any of these tomatoes. Then next step is for me to add the rice. Yes, I add the rice after the stew and all the tomatoes are mushed, and then I continue frying the rice until all that sauce is absorbed into the rice. Most people just add the rice and they add the stock or the water, but me, I fry it until it's completely dry. That infuses that nice sauce flavor into the rice, and it makes it actually better. And then after that, you're going to add in your stock. So you can use chicken broth, you can use beef broth, vegetable broth, whichever one works for you. I use chicken stock in mine. And also, just to let you know, guys, this jollof rice is gonna be baked in the oven. I used to cook it on the stove top before, but I didn't like it. It used to burn easily, and I don't like burnt food. So I developed a new method, and that is cooking my jollof rice in the oven. It's the best, it's the easiest, and it's the quickest. That's what I'll tell you guys. So you just put in, like, after you put in the broth and mix everything together, you just put in your baking sheet. So for me, I'm using a turkey baking tray or baking pan. So that's where I put in my jollof rice, which is ready to be put in the oven. And then after that, I'm just gonna cover it with foil, because I don't want any steam to escape, because that's what's gonna cook the jollof rice in the oven. So you have to make sure that it's completely sealed before you place it in the oven. So I placed mine in the oven off the camera, and then after that, after about 30 minutes, I took it out just to make sure like everything is looking good. And then on top of that, I added frozen vegetables. I know some of you are wondering, like, why are you using frozen vegetables instead of thawing them? I use the frozen one because they have water. I don't want to add extra water in this jollof rice, so that water is what's gonna kind of like help cook it some more. And then also I added some margarine, I love margarine, guys. It gives the jollof rice an extra nice flavor, like that nice, like buttery margarine flavor. Yes, it gives it, but all the flavors are infused together, so you can't really tell that there's margarine, but like there's something in here which made the jollof rice a little bit extra. So yes guys, I put it back for 15 minutes and this is the finished product. Yes guys, you remember the sauce at the beginning? It was green, but look at this now. Like, this jollof rice is not green. This jollof rice is actually red slash orange, whichever color you think it is. Yes it is, except for green. And it's beautiful guys. I'm just scooping some for myself so I can have for dinner. But anyways guys, this is the easiest way I make my jollof rice. Don't judge me, I'm Zambian, and for Zambian girl, this is bomb.com. But anyways guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If there's other stuff that you guys would like to see, please let me know. Thank you.